3, 2, 1.
What is used to straighten curved lines? The answer is A. Ruler. What is the name of actor and director Forest Whitaker's firstborn son? The answer is C. Ocean. Who discovered electromagnetic waves? The answer is D. Hertz. What term refers to the science or art of kissing? The answer is A. Phymatology. Which theory suggests that people are primarily motivated by a desire to reduce dissonance? The answer is C. Humanistic theory. Where in the world would you most expect to be served sedich? The answer is D. Peru. What is Dane Cook's full name? The answer is C. Dane Jeffrey Cook. Many European and Asiatic elms are less susceptible to Dutch elm disease than which elms? The answer is C. American. Who was Slash were the first victim of the snakes in the movie Snakes on a Plane? The answer is A. A couple having sex in a bathroom. Which relationship involves inheritance of genetics? The answer is A. Mother-daughter. Which actor starred as Doc Holliday in Tombstone? The answer is C. Val Kilmer. Ions move through what to maintain electrical neutrality in the cell? The answer is D. The membrane. What is the common name of the national flower of India, which is also called sacred water lily and is often associated with Buddhism? The answer is B. Lotus. What structure did Mimar Sinan design in Istanbul? The answer is A. Blue Moss. Which of these presidents had the most pets? The answer is D. Theodore Roosevelt. Which psychological term refers to the idea that people tend to seek consistency in their beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors? The answer is A. Cognitive consistency theory. In which city was Michael Jordan's second professional team based?
The answer is C. Chicago.
The posterior pituitary releases which hormone, which stimulates uterine contractions during childbirth? The answer is C. Oxytocin. Which of the following characters in the Harry Potter series was never employed by the Ministry of Magic that works to regulate the magical world in Britain? The answer is D. Gilderoy Lockhart. Which animal has a mane that can grow up to 3 feet long? The answer is D, lion. What was Walt Disney's first animated feature film? The answer is B, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. What do you use a screwdriver for? The answer is D, nailing objects. Which mountain range runs through both Europe and Asia? The answer is A, Himalayas. What expresses the mass of substance in terms of the volume occupied by the substance? The answer is B, density. Which river is known as the longest in the world if you consider its main channel and all major tributaries? The answer is A, Amazon. Which of these countries is in Central Europe? The answer is D, Poland. What is the state flower and one of the symbols of the U.S. state of Virginia? The answer is A, dogwood. A fundamental particle of matter, protons and neutrons are made of these. The answer is A, quarks. What is the ideal body weight for a 6-foot-tall man with average bone structure? The answer is D, 178 pounds. Which U.S. president stated he would have never been president had it not been for his experiences in North Dakota as a cattle rancher? The answer is C, Theodore Roosevelt. In 1989, a Mastiff was recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records as the heaviest dog in the world. What was the weight of the dog? The answer is B, 343 pounds. There are 4 seasons in a year. Which reason is most responsible for the changing seasons on Earth? The answer is A, the way Earth tilts on its axis. Which object is a planet found in the Milky Way galaxy? The answer is B, Earth. Destructive interference in waves occurs when what things overlap? The answer is D, 2 troughs. What's it called when there's a sudden flow of mud? The answer is A, mud flow. Who composed the Nutcracker? The answer is C, Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky. What does a mermaid at North Island ask you to fetch for her as a quest in the game Wonderland Online? The answer is D, a shell. On the TV show NCIS, the chief medical examiner Donald Mallard goes by what nickname? The answer is D, Ducky. What is damaged in the inner ear by loud sounds that cause hearing loss? The answer is D. Hair cells. Who is the father of modern medicine? The answer is A. Hippocrates. What is the oldest cathedral in Germany? The answer is D. Cathedral of Trier. Which furniture piece is also known as a Chesterfield? The answer is A. Sofa. Who was the lead singer of Nirvana? The answer is A. Kurt Cobain. The salamander could eat a large amount of what? The answer is D. Six-legged winged organisms. Which celestial body is not a satellite of Earth? The answer is C. Sun. What two tubes extend from the upper corners of the uterus? The answer is C. Fallopian. Organic chemistry is the scientific study of the organic compounds that by definition contain which element? The answer is A. Carbon. In the 1958 season, the Brooklyn Dodgers moved to what city? The answer is C. Los Angeles. What occurs when two opposite charges are separated by some amount of distance? The answer is B. Dipole. On the show The A-Team, 4 days after the Vietnam War ended, the boys knocked off the Bank of Hanoi and took how much money?